Shalom. Hello. I'm back. And I fixed it. I just let the flow go, you know? Fixed it. Quickly look over what I did. Okay? So the speed boost worked, right? If you don't remember, or if you weren't here, last time, this morning, we got this thing working. And it worked just fine. Called a true global variable timer. Once the timer ran out, variable was false. Yada yada. That, we then did two different functions for movement, normal movement, and a boosted movement, depending on that global variable. True, boost move, else, normal move, right? So, tried to do the exact same thing with the rapid fire movement earlier, and I couldn't figure out why it was forever stuck in a loop. And yeah, so I figured out why. So before, see if I can bring it up on the GitHub, because I gotta show you this. This is how you learn. Don't do this. Okay, so right here, see this? While walking or not walking, single shot, break. Okay? That right there, that loop, that while loop right there, was breaking it. So instead of having it called outside and then inside of the function trying to do the thing with another loop, mind you, I did this. Just did the while walking and not walking loop inside of the if statement, and she works. She actually works. At least, sorta. But I think the next one I want to do, because I think it'd be the easiest one, plus it kind of gives me a chance to fix a problem. The problem being, if the arrow misses an enemy, it never disappears. See? Rapid fire. Rapid fire. Rapid fire. Uh-oh. Oh, see? There it is. Sick. So yeah, but the arrows never disappear when they leave the playing area. So I gotta put like a barrier here, just like I have here, to, yeah, cue free the arrows when they hit the wall back here. Work on the time for how long the rapid fire takes. And also, like, trying to figure out how to make it so it's not just a blur of arrows. It's kind of more like a do, you know? We're getting there. Slowly but surely we are getting there. Why is it doing that? Put a print statement in there. Am I calling it on a random range right now? Is that why it's being all buggy? Is that why? Yeah, it's fucking totally should be. Save that. My power went out, and like I was on the computer working on this function, and like my purple light behind me did its thing where it like flashes through all the colors like a demo mode, and that only happens when you know, take it off of power. And I swear the computer for just a split second, like the fans like slowed down a little bit, and I mean nothing happened, everything stayed on, and then the power actually went 5 minutes or so. But I was like, did the power, like, what? I didn't notice it first. Kind of seemed like a really weird happenstance. Okay, dogs. Yes. Yes. Okay, so that works. Nice. Also, probably not do that. We'll do speed boost can be a little bit more. A little bit more. Call it like okay. Speed boost. Save that. So I think probably gonna make another boost once I'm done doing the two other functions here. Probably for like a damage booster. That makes a lot of sense to me. Yeah, rapid fire is a success. Lot of that. Lot of that. Not a lot of anything else. I'm not even gonna write anything in there. That function just made me so mad. Waste of an entire morning for one little mess up. So, my next boost. Should we do the raining arrows? Or should we do the barrier health? I think we're gonna go with the barrier health. No, the raining arrows. So how are we gonna do this? Right? So just like the other ones, boost detects player setting global var true on true. The sky will fill. Yeah. Add another node. Call it collision. We're gonna area that a collision shape. And we're gonna give that a shape of one of those. That one. Stretch this one out. Now, the arrows should be able to disappear once I add scripts to this. First thing is to arrow is an area. So, in game one, on area entered. Oh, we want it in collision. Area is group arrow self dot queue. Our arrow equals null. So that should work. Not a problem. Check it anyways, though. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. It's nice. Okay, so that's that. We need to make a spawner. Arrows. So we should be able to kind of copy this exactly like that, but change the position from random Y to X. Yeah, I like that. So let's create a node, child node of node 2D. Attach a script to that. We're gonna call this, actually, call this raining arrow spawner. Now we're gonna script to that. add a timer. Inside of that timer, we don't want it there. We want it to probably be like point every half a second. Going to be shooting arrows, so auto start. Cool. So one timer timeout. We want to call spawn arrow. We can say if global script dot raining arrows equals true, arrow timer dot start. Now in our spawn arrow function, our new arrow are random x. We want it to be spawning specifically, let's say at 100 to 425. That new arrow dot position dot y. That should be it. Okay. Let's test this. That time this, and we're gonna copy that too, and go like this, and go like this. Coffee pasta, save the day. And we're gonna here this 15. What is? Solve collisions between world boundaries are not supported. The fuck are you talking about? Raining arrow spawner at 11. Node not found. Timer relative. Timer arrow spawner. Okay, so I just messed up what the timer was called. Think. Maybe. Maybe not. I think it's gonna work though. I think this is gonna be sick. Oh yes, give me that raining arrow. Shit. No way I forgot to do that. What? Let's try this again. You put capitalize, if you capitalize something, you better remember that you capitalize that. Now this should work. This is my debugger one. Solve collisions between world boundaries. The fuck does that mean? Yes. If area is in group player, now that should work. You know, thinking about it, the damage boost probably would have been the easiest one of these to implement. Right there. We put that there. We'll save that. And now it should work. Maybe. Invalid access to property or key position based on postician thing for you too. So you get that. That probably fixed some things. Where are my arrows? The arrows are probably all moving this way right now. I have to do a completely different go for this. Different scene altogether, because I currently have arrows that want to spawn from this guy You know what I'm saying? I almost wonder if there's like a way for me to check, like in the arrow scene, if the arrow is a child of the arrow spawner. But that might be like this. I don't know. We're making a new arrow because the arrow it just goes this way. We don't have an arrow that goes this way, and I don't know how to change the arrow scene to do that. So we're gonna change it up. We're just making a new arrow scene and calling it raining arrow. And okay, so now that has that, we're gonna rotate it so that it kind of like the idea of it being off kilter a little bit, right? And give it a collision shape. Hill. Sure. You know what? That'll be good enough. So now of signal here on body entered. Inside of this script, we're gonna paste that API again. And Y. So we're this var training arrow equals null dot is group training arrow equals null. Yeah, that should do something. All right. Now that we've done a whole bunch of stuff, we want our. Did I break it? Ah. Hey. Except for that. Oh, no, yeah, it's doing something. Oh, come on. Instantiate on a null value. Okay, so it's falling behind the map. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. 5 visibility here. Collision, floor, loose properties, material process. The index is on ordering the index 7. Collision, we want on 5. Yes. Yes. Oh, that is actually so sick. That is actually so sick. Why is it not? The collision was still trained on the arrows, not raining arrows. Oh. Yes. Negative. Ah. Because I didn't do it to that one. Got ahead of myself. This is supposed to be arrow. Okay. Arrow collision. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, save it. Yep. Alright, so now we want to make a script in that. And we want the area to give a signal on area entered, area 2D, right? Area is in group training arrow equals area. All right, so this is all we did. On area 2D entered, if area isn't group raining arrow equals area raining 3. Right? Where's my normal arrow? So I can see this. So we literally only have it on one. Bam, raining arrows. Come on, yes! Yes! Oh my, yes. How long does it last? Is it gonna turn off? Ever? So I think, yes. Let's see, does it ever turn off? Sick, dude. Well, we had just gotten this to work, which is really, really cool. Those are queue freeing, which is cool. The arrows are going away, although those arrows are also going away. We needed a timer on that. If global script arrows equals true. So, I mean, it should just work. I think we were going overboard on the timer. That works. Really want to know why it's not playing the hurt animation when I shoot it with the normal arrow, though. Okay, how long is this going to last? Seemingly forever. No, it just ended. Okay. Let's go. 1.8. That's actually a pretty decent amount of time, I think. It's definitely going to be like the rarest drop that we have, so we want it to be powerful. Right? This boost detects global var. Guy will fall down. Yep. Okay. Done. On player pickup. Global var equals true. Resetting the barrier health to full. Yes. Copy this with it. Please. Here, paste this one, var health boost. Boosted equals false. This. Boosted. So inside of health boost, I'm just going to quickly change to area entered, and we'll connect that there. And get rid of that. Right down there. Change this to an using our player equals null. Player. Gotta have a capital. I don't know. That player equals area. We will make the global script dot health boosted equals true. So now is the tricky part. Hey, you know I don't. You know I don't. What's up? You want to see this shit or what? Because this is something. I've done a lot today. Like a hell of a lot today. Don't mind how tiny that is. Check this out. Raining arrows, motherfucker. Raining arrows. It's pretty cool. That's not cool. That's not cool. What just happened there? That's not cool. The balloon tower defense. If anything, it's more like there was a zombie defense game, what's it called, The Last Stand or whatever. If anything, it's like an orc version of that. Now what was I doing? Right. So the next boost I was doing was gonna heal all the barriers. So that'll be fun because I'm fairly certain this the only thing. I love how I didn't change scenes. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, I almost did that to myself. Sometimes when I change scenes, I press the wrong button, or I don't press the button, or I think I pressed the button. Like, I literally muted myself earlier. And, yeah, it wasn't very cool. So we're gonna go in here, and, oh. What is this? Get out of here. A little concerning. What are you gonna say? Bam. Okay. Now, get rid of all of that. Need it. So I can spawn that here. And we want, let's let them beat the barriers up a little bit. Oh, I know why it's gonna take forever. Seems about right. Let's try that again. I had the timer going for far too long on that. Because I just copy pasted it, you know. Come on, break some shit. Yes! Bitch! Who gets the bitches? Syntax, you don't know what you're talking about. Get out of my chat. You're lucky I don't put you in a timeout. That is actually really cool, though. Dude. That makes this game so much better. Now here is another fun bit. But we will go 0 to go 100. Speed boost probably being most common. So like from 20 to 50. Rapid fire, we're probably gonna want to range. Hold on. Range. Duh. 20 to 40 to 59. How about that? Okay, so with all that randomization, it should work. And let's see. I'm a little scared for this. What the fuck just happened to me? At function spawn boosts. Fuck you. What did I do here? Boost number. Oh, okay. So that just reverted my entire code back. That's cool. Save. Just save. That's all I ask of you. Just save. And don't revert back. Thank you. Yeah, but this is what I don't understand, is it should have let me do it as like a range. It doesn't seem to want to stop spawning either. What did I do? Where did the logic break in this? Where did the logic break? Where did it go? Hold on now. Let's try this again here. So somewhere in the character it's broken? Okay. So that's good to know. Somewhere in the character it's broken. For whatever reason, it like almost doesn't even think like the character controller was like saved at the state that I left it. Give me. So it's true, it's true, it's true. That is my problem. Oh, I'm super confused now. He's hurting my brain. Why is timer not calling timer time? So it seems like the enemy script has some logical issues in it. Spawning functions work. It's just some sort of a logic behind this. Why is it so broken? Give me my knockback. Where is it? Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Go. If walking or that that same here. Get rid of that Shiite. Okay. So let's see if that fixes that problem. Okay. So we changed that from let's change this a little bit here. Just to see if that does anything. Maybe we just don't call walking at all. That would be a smart decision. No? Get rid of the walking completely. I don't know why I was checking for it, so let's see why I was. The little game will break it even more to fix it. That. Okay. Test that out. All things are working, except for the player and the enemy. Okay, so we're shooting again, which is really cool. The animation for that still isn't working. Hey, our speed boost lets us shoot again. That's nice. Raining arrows, bitches. Are they not hitting? No, they're hitting. Oh yeah, they're hitting. Why is it counting down so quickly by itself? Like, excuse me? This is so hectic. Oh, thank God. Okay, so I fixed the player shit. So now it's doing what it should be. Not a problem there. So player's good. For now. This we don't stick with. Okay, so it's the enemy. And the barrier. Yeah, the way that we're doing this, the way that we're checking for damage, it's not really too good. We probably want it on its own actual timer. Also, I think we need to make copies of this and attach the scripts to them. Oh, the enemy script. The enemy script. And I think I figured out how I can do this better. I think I can change it up. Make it still a random range, whatever number that is. But if I make each boost number array number, say if it's a random 100, well, the least likely one I would like to drop would be raining arrows. Raining arrows would probably only be like from 1 to 10. At least it's randomized. But I would like it to be so the speed boost is really common. Rapid fire would be like the next common. The health boost would be the next common. Raining arrows would be like the least common one. So, but I don't know how to do that yet. I've been thinking about it. Right now, I'm just trying to make sure that things are actually working all hunky-dory like. Broke things. Very badly broke things. I had to completely refactor so much stuff. This. Put up. That again. Through. The area is in a group of arrow or raining arrow. Is hurt equals true. Knockback plays hurt. If health less arrow, death. Okay. I feel like that's gonna be what works. It seems the arrows still don't do damage when they're attacking. So let's address that. This would be a good spot for us to call the barrier health our back time equals time to attack plus equals delta. And then it goes if time back time to still not fixing that. Change up the attack time. Now why did that timer break? What the heck? What the heck and hey, bro? Everything kind of looks like it should work properly, though. That's the hardest part about this. Everything looks like it should work. In my brain, it looks like it should work. Obviously, that's not the case. So that function completely. If area group barrier area stop walk equals true. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, so they're just not playing the animation then. Going on. Those are being dumb. Now it's C. I see my mistakes. I'm learning. Okay, so let's see if that. I just moved. Back up above the if statement. So let's jump back over here and once again. Still not playing. I just forget to save it. Is that what I did? Save. I think that's what I did. Got to save it. Alright, so position X, that should make them stop walking. Why does the animation now not work? Die. Okay. I'm the fuck bar is attacking equals false. Global script dot is hacking. And we will test that right now. I see where I'm going wrong here. Inside of barrier, it was just calling normal is attacking. Needs to be a global. Come on, man. Up that barrier. Okay. Didn't break it this time. Ooh, I wonder if that does something. Position X equals self dot position X. It's going to be so broken because of what I've done. What just happened? Oh, shit. What just happened? You made me choke on my fucking craft dinner, man. That was some different stuff going on there. You fucking phone scrub, I'm coming for you. Come on, do the thing. Well, that's cool. What happens when they disappear, though? Just stuck in a loop, hey? Alright, you know what? I need to go for a little bit of a break. The cigarette's calling to me, so when I get back, we should go over the next to-dos for tomorrow. And that might be it. I'm feeling a little fucking done with this. So, but I might feel different in a minute. I have made my decision. I'm gonna do our to-dos. So, save scripts that I've been dicking with. Let's go ahead and close Godot. Oh yeah, this blue sky thing. So to do, add decorations, yeah, fix animation, character. This is already done. So barrier health boost. So that works. Fix that, or we did it. Yay. Need to do that. Save state, yeah. Overhaul. Okay, so I want to cool down timers. Programming testing, probably bug fixes. 25 now. Pretty much every timer I've done using scripts needs to be changed to timer node. All right, so that's not started yet. Enemy attack fix the attack animation. This we want enemy knockback fix. Knockback only works for the raining arrows for some reason. Ugh, this is gonna be a gnarly one, but it needs to be done because I keep forgetting what I've done and like what things are. You know what it is. This would be like a continuous one, cause like as you on add comments where what else? So I wanted to make it so when the character picks up boost and it gives it the property of whatever, I want it to make like a UI indicator screen or like visible, or go from partially visible to visible, kind of showing that you've got that boost. Honestly, I think that's like pretty well the last of the stuff that I do this. Pretty much just want to make it tweaked. So I think once I get the playability actually like a smooth experience, you know, get rid of the bugs, get so that the gameplay is actually fun and makes sense. Probably figure out how to make it an executable, and I'll probably send it to a few of my friends to like play test it and like kind of give me feedback on stuff that they would like to see or what they've noticed or bugs that they encounter and all that. You know, just get a general list of shit from them. Something that I can work off of. I want to get it done though, definitely. And I watched Godot and Godotineers? Go. Alright, I'm done. I watched that guy's video on save states, like how they work. And honestly, I can't remember which pretty well set my heart on, but I think it was just the JSON file. We're only saving a high score. Yeah, so like, don't really need much from that. So that should be easy. But one thing at a time. Get these boosts fixed. Well, if you actually stuck around and watched a bit of this, or if you're here right now, thanks for tuning in, and I'll try and be on early tomorrow. 2:30. I'll try and be live at 3 a.m. So